Hi everyone, this is Milan and I'm gonna show you how to make a realistic gravity. So yeah, let's scratch on. To start, take any star block or even block. Here I'm taking when green flag is clicked and create a block naming it gravity. And make sure you have choose run without screen refresh below the option, and we have a defined gravity to function it. And I'm creating a variable naming it y level speed. You will know the reason later on, and let's put the gravity block which we have created. It will be just for a moment, so let's put in a loop, I mean a forever block. But it will not work because we have not defined it or functioned it, so it needs block. So grab a block from controls if then and not block in operators from operate and touching block from sensing and set it to ground. I mean any platform I have drawn here, green one. So if not touching ground block we have placed here, because if it is not touching ground it means it is on height, and we want if it is on a height fall down until it touches ground. So here I need a change y by block. Here we go, and change variable by -1. So number will be decreased and y level speed will be changing slow to fast, and that's what I mean by a realistic gravity. Now let's test this. Yeah, it is working, but it is going underground. We have to fix this. To test it again and again, we want that it comes to height so that it will fall. So drag this upper and go to particular position, coordinates position or, and yeah, the variable is decreasing more, so set variable to 0 and also copy from the previous one. And now from controls use repeat until and copy not touching ground and place it to repeat until not touching ground. And now use change y by 1, so it will move 1 y upwards. So yeah, now there is a 1 pixel gap which we want. I hope you enjoyed this video. If it is helpful for you, like and subscribe for more tutorials.